As soon as you start earning money online, you can withdraw it using gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or any of the other numerous widely used payment methods. Furthermore, this service is provided without charge. Even without investing money, you can get started. I'll guide you through an actual situation shortly and demonstrate how to handle it in under 10 seconds without the aid of sales, recommendations, affiliate marketing, followers, websites, or videos. A very basic, uncomplicated approach for novices to start earning money every day. Just be sure to watch the entire video to learn about this brand new way to generate money online. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The website I want to show you in today's movie is called 5squid. Now that you've seen the complete video, please visit 5squid.com. You don't want to miss the special extra tip at the end, which I'll be offering you along with a ton of examples, proof, and other information that will ensure that you can actually get paid. Currently, the main purposes for which users of this website use it are to buy, sell, and seek various services are $5 on average. Check out this right away. As I descend, I come across extensive listings of extra services that other people are offering. You don't need to worry. I'm not asking you to create any movies, graphics, or other such content. I always work to simplify things for you. In this video, I'll walk you through a 100 done free strategy you can use right away to earn $5 in under 10 seconds. And once more, individuals from a number of nations, including the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Nigeria, the Philippines, India, Pakistan, and others are regularly sending $10 payments to individuals. As you can see, you can fund your PayPal account at this very moment. If you don't have a PayPal account, there are a variety of other ways to get paid. Click on the button on the 5squid.com main homepage once again to find the several categories where you can get paid on our site. Examples including translating, music and audio composition, online marketing, graphic design, and more. In fact, I want to show you something very special that was recently launched on this page. No one else is discussing it at the moment under the other area, which you can view here. You should click on the special category, since that's where I want to view your comment. Furthermore, rest assured that you don't need any design, video production, or technology experience, nor do you need to sell anything to anyone. As you can see, the Your Message On page is titled as such and contains users from all around the world. A man from Nigeria is standing next to this man, who is sort of from this country. There are also people from Russia, Morocco, the UK, and more males from Pakistan. There are just so many people here, from so many different nations. What you're trying to argue is that they are effectively making $10 every time they provide this service, which is more significant to note. Relax, it's simpler and more straightforward than you would imagine. You only need to click on the services now to access this page. As you can see, Einstein will receive $5 in exchange for writing 3 messages on a blackboard for you. When you exchange £5 for US dollars, you can actually earn a lot more than $5. However, this specific website, 5squid, will charge you a small processing fee, but you may rest assured that you'll keep every cent you get paid for all of your services. You can basically type whatever term you want, and they'll make sure the appropriate attacks are displayed on the whiteboard, as you can see in the preview. Many people would be willing to pay money for this incredibly useful service. Don't worry, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to do it. You may be wondering how to accomplish that, or how to create a dynamic graphic similar to this one so you can enter any word on the board. To achieve that, just type Einstein into the search field on our website, hitamil.com. As you can see, this successfully procedures a dynamic Einstein picture, which is what you want. You can see it here now that it has been created just for you. See how you may change this image by adding your own text here. For instance, the wording will be instantly shown on the image when you add any text and choose Change Image. Along with this text, you will also see an equation, a formula, and other details. Let's assume for the sake of argument that I want to subscribe to this video. Let's imagine that I can type in whatever I want based on what your customer wants. Using the 100% Done For You app, which is readily available online on hitamil.com, you may create a finished free image similar to this one, depending on what your customer requests. I'll quickly change this if you subscribe to my channel. Please like this video in return. As you can see, if I merely click this button to change the image, it will display there in under 10 seconds. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. As you can see, real money is being requested for this. Just charge £5 for 3 messages when you complete this. The fact that this particular freelancer has over 19 ratings on their profile and that at least 19 individuals have utilized their services shows that there is a demand for this service, which you may provide without having any technical knowledge or graphic design experience. To make photographs that are just like these, just utilize the 100 Done For You application that can be found at hitamil.com. You have the freedom to modify and tags in response to customer demands. When you're done, depending on the device you're using, quickly take a screenshot on your computer or smartphone. Now, for instance, I could simply take a screenshot similar like this and voila! You may send it to your customer and save it on your computer or mobile device with just one simple click, earning you $10 in less than 10 seconds. Along with this, you can use the finished templates from Uncle Sam, Quaker, and Einstein, but I'll offer you a little extra information today. This template will send me to this website as an example. Here you can see how I can edit the text on the images I've already taken for you. You can alter the language at the bottom to say whatever you want. I desire you. For instance, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see that I can quickly change the entire poster with just one click by changing the image by hitting this button. Many individuals out there would like you to modify this design or upload a design similar to this for them, but they are unaware of how easy it is to do so on this website. You can see that this is actually rather amusing and creative, and you can give all of these things right here in 5squid.com. To establish a free account, simply click the Join button above. You can register on this page without paying anything by entering your email address and clicking the Proceed button. I'll now show you another Fiverr website. As I promised towards the end of this video, and once again, this is a truly unique niche. Now, if you search for the phrase Einstein your message on, you'll discover that a small number of individuals are profiting from this developing trend. As you can see, they currently have a single service, 5 services, and 12 services available for 5 apiece. You could finish this purchase in under 10 seconds if you take my lead. In reality, you can snap a screenshot in less than 5 seconds by typing a few phrases and clicking this button. As a result, if you're still watching this video right now, you have a great opportunity to earn money. Visit Fiverr.com or 5squid.com to offer the same services for $5 each time. You may see, for instance, that this person has over 12 reviews from over 12 different clients who are commenting on the specific services. They approve it, are prepared to give this independent contractor a sizable sum of money. And guess what? Not every client will actually leave a review. This guy actually sold more than 12 services on this site because some people only pay for the service without writing a review. Use the answer 100 done on hitamil.com to continue the process and receive $5 each time. This is a method of earning money that anyone from all over the world can use it. It accomplishes all the labor-intensive duties for you as a consequence, saving you the time you would otherwise waste on social media, making a video for no one, handling sticky circumstances, gaining specialized knowledge or experience, or waiting for outcomes. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.